Top of the morning to you. I asked on Instagram yesterday about doing an unpack with me or put stuff away with me in this house. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to start in here just because I've been working on clothes this morning and I totally forgot about turning the camera on. But basically what I have going on right now is I have clothes in trash bags lined against the wall. I already have some hung up in the closet. I have boxes in the garages of clothes. And I have probably 6 or 7 boxes at my sister's house of clothes. Some are mine, some are the kids. And there's just stuff everywhere. And I'm going to list a lot of these clothes on Poshmark. I know this video is not sponsored by them. But I am going to be listing a ton on Poshmark because I just have so much stuff and I don't need it all. I don't wear it all. It's just ridiculous how much I have. So I have a pile right here behind me. How long was I not in focus? I don't know. But I have this pile right here behind me. And I'm going to keep adding to that pile. And I'm kind of scared how big this pile is going to get. And then I will start listing some. And then I'm also going to be working on the kitchen today. I need to get groceries later, so I need to get all of my plates and, well, I don't have plates, but I have bowls and cups and all that kind of stuff. So get them set up and try to figure out where everything is going to go. It's just a lot to do, and I just need to get on it and start working on it because my clinical was canceled today, so it was the perfect day to get all of this done. So yeah, let's go.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason. But it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom?
Bored doing the clothes so much, so I'm gonna bring you guys into the kitchen so I can now touch my countertops finally. He said 24 hours from yesterday, and so now they're done. I can put stuff on them. I'm gonna unwrap everything and then I will move. Sorry, Celia's outside. I think she wants back in. I'm gonna get it unwrapped and then start putting stuff away. I still have another coat left on the bottom, but because he kind of got the spray on the bottom, and so I need to go ahead and clean that too at some point today, and then put another coat on. But I might wait until tomorrow morning to put the coat on because the kids will be gone, and then I'll also be gone, so there's no chance of touching it. But yeah, this kitchen already, y'all, looks so much better. Once I get everything packed away, I am gonna do a house tour of the before and after and put the videos side by side.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign, give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign, baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you, and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. I just wanna let you know I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too. When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. So give me a sign.
I'm tired. This is all I got unpacked. But I can't find my Ray Dunn dishes. Like, I have the cereal bowls over there. So I know I have another box that comes in the kitchen with all of my my cups and my butter and flour canister. So I need to try to go to the garage and find that. But I have to stop unpacking because a girl I'm in school with is coming over here to study. And I have to study. This past few days I've looked at nothing. Okay, before I get set up to study though, I don't have time to eat lunch right now. I need to just get my stuff and get moving. But I'm gonna make a protein shake. And y'all, I'm still using the Phorm protein powder. I cannot say enough good things about them. When I have all the free time, I'm gonna be back in the gym. But right now the gym is me running after these kids and getting this house unpacked. I'm a chocolate lover. Any of my protein, I really like chocolate. There's a couple vanilla ones that I've been okay with, but I like everything that they have as far as protein powders. I've never tried one that I don't like, and they have so many different ones. But because I'm plain, I always get the milk chocolate. They also have like a mint chocolate that's really, really good. I have that, but it's still packed somewhere. I left this one out because I knew I was going to be needing them. I cannot recommend this enough, you guys. There's always a link in my videos to shop their protein powder. Theirs is special only because, to me, it tastes good. Y'all, you can tell me all the health things you want to tell me about something, and it goes over my head, so I have to trust the health side. I'm more worried about how it tastes and how I feel when I drink it, and that's why I've liked Phorm for a long time. I've been using their stuff, I don't even know how long now. And yes, I do work with them, but please understand, this is my favorite. It's my absolute favorite I've ever used. A lot of times with like protein balls and protein cookies, you can put in their formula into your cookies to give it the protein, and that's how I prefer to do it. I don't always do protein shakes, but it's just easy on the go right now, knowing I have to study and can't eat, to make a protein shake. So I'm gonna put some powder in here and add some water and then get moving. I knew there was something special about this. I had to look. It has 5 grams of BCAA in the scoop that you put in your protein shake. And then it says it also has glutamine and glutamine peptides at over 4 grams per serving, which makes up 61% of the amino acid pool in the muscle tissue. Amino acids are very important for building muscle tissue. That's something I've always learned throughout biology and anatomy. And let me just tell y'all that I may not know the ins and outs of building muscle, but I do try to live as healthy as I possibly can, and I know how important protein is. And I've talked about Phorm for months and months and months now, like ever since last year, and I'm still using them, still going strong on the same protein that I've been using. I literally do not ever want to change. So if you guys are wanting protein powder, you're wanting pre-workout powder, you're wanting supplements, they have it all. They even sent some gummies for the kids, well, for Aniston. So they have a variety of things on there, and like I said, you can shop the link below and get whatever you want. You will not be disappointed in anything that you try by them because every flavor tastes good. I'm not a chalky protein powder type person, and these aren't chalky. So that's what I'm going to be doing for lunch today, at least up until I study, and then I can go get something like a small bite to eat. But I just wanted to share that with you guys.
Hey you guys, so Anna doesn't even know I'm doing this video. She's actually studying right now, so she found these really cool pots that she likes at Kohl's, I think. So here they are. Rachel Ray, I think. Yeah, something like that. So I got them all unboxed for her so she can see them when she gets done. There they are there. Got some new utensils and stuff like that. A little trash can. This fancy little thing.
Y'all, I'm editing this video and I just found that clip of Tyler. He showed up and had all the things for the house. Like, surprised me with a whole bunch of stuff that I was complaining that I needed to get. And he just showed up with all these things that night. And I came out from studying and I was like, what in the world? Like, oh my gosh, who is that nice? He had all the things. And I have to close this video out because I don't have any more footage. I'm going to get the house ready today and tomorrow for the house tour. But I wanted to end this video. But how sweet was he that night? He showed up with all these things. I didn't even hear him come in with all this stuff. He like came in and opened things and I was studying on Zoom. And I came out with a bunch of stuff for my house. Like, oh, what in the world? But I want to end this video here, you guys. The house tour is coming. Sorry for all the disorganization. That's just real life right now. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Again, I always appreciate you guys. Y'all are amazing. And I will see you guys later this week. Bye.